how to charge with Payphone? 1. Charging with link and QR code. On the home screen, press Get Paid at the bottom right. Enter the amount and the reference to keep track of your charges. Then press Generate. Now, we'll show you 2 ways to proceed. 1. With the link. Copy the link to send or share it via WhatsApp or any other social network. 2. With the QR code. If you're in front of the person, show the generated QR code for them to scan. If the payer does not have Payphone or is in another part of the world, they will see a form to enter their debit or credit card details. If they pay with Payphone Balance, you will receive 100% of the charge. If the payment is made with a card, you will receive the amount minus 5% plus VAT on that percentage. After that, you can use the received amount however you want at zero cost. 2. Charging with Tap. On the home screen, press Get Paid at the bottom right. If you're in front of the person and they have their card ready, press with Tap. Enter the amount you want to charge and verify the amount you will receive from your payment. Place your phone over the client's card for a few seconds. Only for high-value payments, a screen will appear for your client to sign the transaction. If the amount is lower, no signature will be required. In just a few seconds, the payment will reflect in your balance after deducting Payphone's 5% fee plus VAT only on that percentage. After that, you can use 100% of your money at zero cost, either by withdrawing it, reloading your Payphone Mastercard, paying from Payphone to Payphone. Now, you can receive credit or debit card payments from anywhere in the world.